Hey, 8th grade. I just wanted to come to you today with this video to talk a little bit about the vocabulary that you read in lesson 1 with genetics, actually lesson 1 and 2. We're going to look at these terms, so hopefully they make a little more sense. So start off your notes, like we always do, genetic notes, and then start with genes. Genes can also be referred to as factors. Sometimes they're genes, sometimes they're factors. It's the same thing that they're talking about. They're basically a section of the chromosome. So genes are on a chromosome. You have several genes on one chromosome. Alleles are the different forms of a gene. So what the gene looks like. It could be talking about white or purple flowers, the gene for white or purple flowers, or it could be talking about the tallness or the shortness of plants, or it could be talking about whether the peas were smooth or bumpy, or if they were green or yellow. That's the different forms that those genes can take. So an allele is a form of the gene. When you look at a chromosome, you have the centromere, where when you have two chromosomes, they are attached to one another. But as you have a single chromosome laid out like this, you have different sections of the chromosome. These different sections would be the different genes that that particular organism is going to express. And so each section has the alleles that it's representing. So this section might be talking about smooth or bumpy pea texture. This section over here might be talking about tallness or shortness of the plant. And so those are the alleles, or what's being expressed in the different sections, the different gene parts of the chromosome. Remember that alleles will be in the same location on all chromosomes. So every chromosome in the organism, this specific section of the chromosome will be representing smooth or bumpy texture if we're dealing with pea plants.